In this video, we're going to show you survival gear that you must have if you want to stay safe and comfortable in any emergency. From wilderness survival to urban disasters, these gears will give you the peace of mind you need to handle any challenge that comes your way. Glow sticks. Are you ready to light up the night like a pro? Look no further than the Glow Mind 12 Ultra Bright Emergency Glow Sticks. These bad boys are ultra bright and long-lasting, perfect for camping trips, hikes, or even power outages. With 12 sticks in a pack, you'll never be left in the dark. Not only do they make great flashlights, but they can also be used as markers or even signals for help. The bright green color is easy to spot, and they can withstand rough conditions. Just bend, snap, and shake, and you'll have light in seconds. Trust me, these glow sticks are a must-have for any adventurer or emergency preparedness kit. Don't be caught in the dark. Grab yourself a pack today. Holtzman's Guerrilla Survival Camping Knife. Looking for a knife that can handle any survival situation? Stop searching. Holtzman's Guerrilla Survival Camping Knife is here. This bad boy is built to last with a durable stainless steel blade and a grippy rubber handle. It's perfect for camping, hunting, and even emergency situations. The blade is sharp, strong, and it will make easy work of slicing, chopping, and cutting. The rubber handle gives a secure grip even in the wettest conditions. However, this knife is not just a survival tool. It also comes with a built-in magnesium fire starter, a whistle, and a survival guide, which makes it a complete survival package. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry so you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're out in the wilderness or just need a reliable knife at home, Holtzman's Guerrilla Survival Camping Knife has got you covered. Don't ever leave home without it. Gerber Gear Downrange Tactical Tomahawk. Take your tactical game to the next level with the Gerber Gear Downrange Tactical Tomahawk. This tough guy is built to handle any situation with its durable stainless steel construction and versatile design. It's perfect for chopping, cutting, and even breaching. The handle has a diamond texture rubber grip for a secure hold, and it feels solid in the hand. It's also lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around. But this tomahawk is not just a chopping tool. It also has a hammer head on the back of the blade and a pry bar at the base of the handle, making it a multi-purpose tool. It also comes with a modular sheath that you can attach to your belt, making it easily accessible. Whether you're out in the wilderness or need a reliable tool for emergency situations, the Gerber Gear Downrange Tactical Tomahawk has got you covered. Rhino Rescue Medical Tourniquets. When it comes to injuries, you don't want to take any chances. That's why you need the Rhino Rescue Medical Tourniquets. These lifesavers are built to handle any emergency situation with their durable construction and easy-to-use design. They are perfect for stopping severe bleeding on the spot. These tourniquets are made of high-quality materials and have been tested and certified to be reliable and durable. They're also super easy to use, so you don't need to be a medical professional to be able to apply them. They come in a pack of 2, so you can have one for yourself and one for your loved ones or friends. They're also compact and lightweight, so you can carry them with you wherever you go. Whether you're a first responder, a hunter, or just want to be prepared for any emergency, the Rhino Rescue Medical Tourniquets are a must-have. Don't get caught off guard. Grab yourself a pack today. These are just a few of the essential survival gear that you should have in your kit. By being prepared, you can stay safe and comfortable in any situation. So don't wait. Start stocking up on your survival gear today.